Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App borrow option not showing up in your phone, right, in your application. So if you don't have the application, you can just go to the website and you can always download it from here. Now to fix this issue, I have mentioned each and everything. So first of all, you need to have a eligibility requirement, which you can see here, right? So you may need to meet the eligibility criteria, which include having an active Cash App. So if you don't have active, make sure you active it, and the deposit should be around $1,000, right? And account type, the borrow feature is only available for the personal account, right? You can just see the region, it's only available in US, right? It should be the latest version. If you don't have the latest version, just go to the iOS or App Store and download it from there. Now to fix it, you have to update your app. Make sure your identity is active and it's authentic one, and check the status and make sure that is active, and in this way you will able to fix this issue. So if you don't fix this issue, if there's issue still persists, you can just contact the customer support and maybe it get fixed. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.